Welcome to Tech Flash Daily, your daily hit of tomorrow's technology, today. If you're obsessed with futuristic gadgets, smart devices, and sci-fi like tech becoming real, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down 7 incredible tech gadgets that feel like they're straight out of the future. But they're very real and available right now. These gadgets are redefining the way we live, work, play, and even take care of ourselves. So buckle up, because the future is calling, and it looks amazing. Let's kick things off with something small, but mighty, the AI Smart Ring. This isn't your average wearable. This futuristic piece of jewelry combines biometric tracking, smart assistant features, and gesture control into one ultra-compact ring. Imagine tapping your finger to take a call, flicking your wrist to skip a song, or simply speaking to your ring to set a reminder. It's not science fiction anymore, it's real tech on your fingertip. But the AI Smart Ring isn't just about convenience. It's a powerful health monitor. It tracks your heart rate, sleep, stress levels, and even oxygen saturation 24/7. Athletes love it for training. Busy professionals use it to stay focused. And biohackers? They swear by it. The ring connects to your phone via Bluetooth and gives you full health analytics in a clean, easy-to-read dashboard. Next up, the XG Vision AR glasses. These are next-gen augmented reality glasses that let you overlay digital content directly onto the real world. We're not just talking directions or weather updates. These glasses can translate foreign languages in real time, recognize faces, give you heads-up notifications, and even display full holograms in your field of vision. Gamers and digital creatives are going to love this. The XG Vision glasses can project entire 3D virtual environments around you right in your living room. Whether you're designing in 3D space, playing immersive AR games, or attending a virtual meeting, you're seeing and interacting with a new layer of reality. These glasses make Zoom calls feel prehistoric. Our third gadget is the Pocket Drone Pro. Don't let the size fool you. This compact drone folds down to fit in your pocket, yet delivers stunning 4K footage, stabilized with a gimbal and powered by smart AI tracking. Whether you're capturing epic travel shots, documenting your adventures, or making cinematic vlogs, this drone brings pro-level features anywhere. What's even cooler is how easy it is to use. The Pocket Drone Pro comes with gesture control, obstacle avoidance, and automated flight modes like Orbit and Follow Me. No flying skills? No problem. You can literally toss it into the air and start recording like a pro. It's a creator's dream. Coming in at number 4 is something that could literally save your life, the BioBeat Smart Patch. This small, lightweight patch sticks to your chest and monitors your vitals 24/7. We're talking continuous tracking of heart rate, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, blood pressure, and even fluid levels sent directly to your phone or to your doctor in real time. The BioBeat patch is being used in hospitals, but now it's available for personal use. Whether you're recovering from surgery, managing chronic conditions, or just trying to optimize your health, this device gives you medical-grade insights from home. It's remote health monitoring made futuristic and effortless. Number 5 will revolutionize logistics, the Ember Cube. At first glance, it looks like a stylish box. But it's actually a smart shipping container with GPS tracking, climate control, and real-time alerts. Designed originally for transporting delicate medical supplies, it ensures everything arrives safely, no matter the journey. Imagine shipping something valuable like medicine, electronics, even luxury goods, and getting an alert the moment it leaves, moves, gets too hot, or is tampered with. The Ember Cube turns every delivery into a secure, trackable mission. And the best part? It's fully reusable and eco-friendly. Number 6 is a simple upgrade that solves a big problem, the LUMI self-cleaning water bottle. With the press of a button, it uses UVC light to kill 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and germs in your water and on the inner walls of the bottle. No more smelly bottles. No more dirty water, perfect for travelers, hikers, or anyone who wants clean water anywhere. LUMI keeps you safe and hydrated. It charges via USB-C and lasts for weeks. And it looks as good as it performs, with minimalist design and solid build. Clean water, futuristic form, and finally, at number 7, we have the Deskpod AI Assistant. This is not just a smart speaker, it's a full-blown holographic AI system for your desk. With a full-color hologram display, voice-activated controls, and smart device integration, it's your new productivity and entertainment hub. Need a daily schedule update? It'll show you a visual timeline. Want to play music? It generates visual effects in the air. You can connect it to your lights, thermostat, camera, and more. And thanks to adaptive AI, it learns your routines and improves over time. Think Jarvis from Iron Man on your desk. So there you have it, 7 incredible tech gadgets that are here to make your life smarter, healthier, more connected, and a whole lot cooler. These aren't concepts. They're real, ready, and rapidly shaping the world we live in. From smart rings to holographic assistants. We're stepping into an era where the future feels closer than ever, and remember, this is just the beginning. Technology is evolving so fast that what seems futuristic today might be standard tomorrow. We're entering an era where your ring can talk to your fridge, your glasses can translate any language, and your desk can literally talk back. It's the most exciting time to be a tech lover. Now it's your turn. Which one of these gadgets would you buy first? Are you more into health tech, smart wearables, or AI assistants? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone and love hearing which futuristic ideas excite you most, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. At Tech Flash Daily, we cover the hottest tech, the smartest gadgets, and everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't just something to wait for. It's already here. You just have to reach out and grab it.